guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this super special video because today I am extremely excited to finally launch my very first merchandise line. Oh my gosh, guys! This has been a long time coming, and now that I hit 500,000 subscribers, which is absolutely mad, by the way, and thank you guys so much for helping me reach that milestone. And not only that, but 2018 was my 10-year anniversary on YouTube, so both of those are just insane numbers to me, and I felt like I needed to celebrate in style, so I'm launching a merch collection, and I am in love with it, guys. I knew I wanted to start with something really cozy and comfortable for winter, the colder seasons, something that you can really snuggle up in. So I ended up designing the Tea Time Lounge collection. You can see the design right here. I'm wearing the sweatshirt, this little logo, the tea cup with a little tea bag label with the leaf, and then Tea Time. This is the design that is featured throughout the whole collection. I hand drew the design and the text is handwritten by me as well. I'm really proud of the way it came out. I think it looks really nice. So I decided to sell through Teespring, which is a print to order service, and I mostly decided to go with them because they have a collaboration with YouTube, which should hopefully mean that you can see the merch collection directly beneath my videos now. I really hope it is working and I hope that many of you guys can see it if your country does support this kind of integration in YouTube. That's why I went with Teespring, and I have a little shop set up there so you can check that out. You can also go to my blog to look at kind of photos of the collection and then purchase through there. So if you have any questions about the more technical side of things like shipping and handling and things like that, I would suggest you contact Teespring customer support. But enough chit chat about the back end of things. I want to show you what is going on in this collection. So I have a few clothing items, but of course I had to have a mug as well. Yes, guys, it is here, the Tea Time mug. It has, again, the writing, the handwritten Tea Time writing. It has the tea label with the little leaf, and then in the back here it has the Loepsie logo, and again with the little leaf on the side. So this is the official Loepsie Tea Time mug, and I am so excited and I can't wait to hold this up in every single Tea Time video from now on. Oh, guys, it's a really nice size mug, and I really love that the handle is so big and you can just hold it really comfortably. Besides the mug, there is of course the sweatshirt that I'm wearing right now that has the little logo right here. So all the clothing items come in 4 colors. They all come in white, gray, dark red, and black. And the light colors, so gray and white, have a black design, whereas the darker colors, so red and black, have a white design. And you can see that in the next item that I have here, which is this hoodie. It has a little hood, it has a pocket in the front, and it has the design kind of much larger in the center, and this is the white design right here. Again, it says Tea Time, and all the items have my Loepsie logo in the back with the little leaf as well. This one has one too. Let me see if I can turn around and show you that without everything falling to the ground. Yeah, there it is, just a little text. This is a sample sweatshirt, and the one you receive should have the logo a little bit smaller. So this is the hoodie, and this is such a comfortable hoodie, guys. It has the little like fleece lining in the inside, and this one has that as well. I love that, it's so comfortable. And the hoodie also has those kind of like little things you can use for headphones. So it has a little hole in the inside of the front pocket that you can stick your headphones through, and then it has the little loops here again to stick your headphones through. I'm not sure if anyone still uses that because, you know, Bluetooth era, but it has those functions if you're interested in those. And then I also have a t-shirt in case you do live in a warmer climate and have no use for sweaters, or in case you just prefer a t-shirt. So this is the Tea Time t-shirt, and I do advise you to order this one 1 or 2 sizes up, because I ordered a small right here, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I just barely fit in this. It is really small. So yeah, definitely do order 1 or 2 sizes up, but it's just a simple v-neck t-shirt with the print on the front and then the Loepsie logo in the back. And yeah, that is it. So like I mentioned, everything comes in white, gray, black, and red. So you can choose which one you like the best. I do want to mention that Teespring does have some colors that are exclusive to some regions in the world. So if there is any color missing, then that's probably the case and they don't ship that color to your area. So I'm sorry about that, but there should be at least multiple options for each item available. So yeah, that is my tea time lounge collection, guys. I am so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see this. I'm just, oh! And I feel like it's really nice to, have something that you can get that is tangible and comfortable and cute that you can, support me with and be part of my big Loepsie family. So the links to my Teespring shop will be in the description box. If it works and if the function is supported in your country, the merch shelf should be under my videos now as well, so you can purchase from there. And I will have all the photos and everything on my blog as well, including the link, so you can go check that out as well if you're interested. And the mug, I'm so excited about the mug. That is it. That is my announcement, guys. I am so excited. I can't wait to get this thing going. I really, really, really hope you like it. And I guess that's it. I never know how to end these videos. I'm just so excited. I want to keep talking forever, but I'm gonna end it here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for your support. Even if you don't have the financial means to purchase something right now, I don't mind at all. Thank you so much for your support anyway. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye, guys!